Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darci, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. I am so excited today because I'm participating in yet another collab, and this one is hosted by two wonderful ladies, Maria from Maria's DIY and Marilyn from Fabulous Designs on a Budget. Now, the collab is Spring Porch Cleaning and Decorating, and I'd love to show you how I've cleaned and decorated my porch for the spring season. But before we get started on that, I want to say a quick thank you to both ladies for hosting this wonderful collab, and ask that you take just a few minutes, go over to their channels, see the playlist, watch all the other participants, and of course, subscribe to the channels that you like. And I'd love for you also to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. So let's get started on the spring porch cleaning and decorating. This is a before snapshot of our back patio as it looks like right now. Of course, I'm going to do some cleaning and reorganizing here. It looks like this because we live in California and we have all year round outside use of the patio. So we are always outside, it seems, and of course we use all these areas here all the time, except of course the last winter it rained a little bit and we weren't able to spend much time out here. But this is what the before looks like. I'll show you in just a few seconds what the after looks like after it has been cleaned and organized. You've seen the before. Now this is the after it has been cleaned and organized. So I've spent the last 20 or so minutes cleaning and setting the table here in the back patio. It's pretty much like this most of the time, except of course the table is usually not set. But this is what the back patio, ready for spring and summer, for all the activities that we would like to do out here. This is a little seating area. This little floral arrangement is a DIY that I did a couple challenges ago. I'm sure you've seen this one already, so was one that was done maybe a year or so ago, I should say. So our patio is clean and organized and ready for spring and summer. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take time to visit again. I am hoping to do a tour of our flowers backyard, of course, and I'm hoping to do that, so please come back to see that. That should be a lot of fun. We have a lot of blooms coming up now, and so it's very, very spring-like in the garden. Almost everything is in bloom, and so it looks really, really pretty. I'd love for you to come back and see that when I do that on the next video. So again, take care. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Take care, and we'd love to see you back again. Take care. Bye-bye.